Some knowledge checks are automatically triggered periodically throughout a student's learning. These types of knowledge checks are progress knowledge checks and are triggered by different metrics. The metrics ensure that the assessment occurs often enough in order to increase retention and ensure mastery. Let's take a closer look at how these knowledge checks are triggered. Here is an example comparing the learning paths of two students and when they receive knowledge checks. After the initial knowledge check, they begin their learning. Student A spends 5 hours in ALEKS and learns about 20 topics. This triggers a progress knowledge check. Student B, on the other hand, has reached 10 hours since his last knowledge check, but hasn't learned 20 topics yet. However, this will trigger a progress knowledge check. Another common trigger is the post-objective knowledge check. Per the instructor's setting, students will get a knowledge check once they complete each objective in the course, or the due date occurs, whichever happens first. The timer for these knowledge checks is reset anytime a student completes any type of knowledge check. There are also built-in time spans where knowledge checks are blocked. For example, if a student reaches the last 10 topics of an objective, like student A, or the due date is within 48 hours, like student B, progress knowledge checks will be blocked. All of this keeps the student from being over-assessed. From their homepage, students can select this icon here to see when their next progress knowledge check will occur. They may be able to postpone the knowledge check for up to 24 hours if they need more time, depending on the instructor's setting.